Hi friends, it's Shanna, Shop Glorious Day here at the Round Top Antiques Week, bringing you live out onto the fields, into the tents and barns to see all there is to see, or at least a little taste. And I'm here with, just peeked in on Glenda Willbanks at the old depot field, and she's in a shared tent venture of sorts that I'll take you into, and she's going to tell us a bit about the things that I think you'll really enjoy seeing. So we'll go in now. All right, so still beautiful sunny day here, the stone cellar right across the way. You can see how lovely. Now we'll go in and say hi to Glenda. Hey, thank you for having us. Let me just pan across here so they can kind of get a view. Drew me right in, the signs and all. Yeah, so I'll let you take over.
Okay, well, this is our 9th year here at the old depot.
Okay.
And we started out in a little corner section here that we shared with some other vendors.
Yeah.
And we have grown up to a 60 by 60 tent here.
Wow.
And I share the space with our friends Gary and Randy Fleet out of Tyler, Texas, and they have East Texas pickers, and they make some of the most amazing painted and handmade furniture, and it is all just beautiful. And we do a lot of vintage and original antiques and unusual and unique items.
Yeah.
We also have a log mill down on our place in Athens, Texas, where we're from.
Okay.
And we mill cedar for cedar slab furniture and other artwork and things that we do.
Wow, so much.
You want to follow me?
Yeah.
I'll kind of tell you what we do.
We'll follow you in.
We do retired Texas highway signs.
Okay.
And these are, for the most part, these are all just original, taken off the sign and retired through the Texas Highway Department.
Yeah.
And then we get a lot of blank signs in through them also. So we make signs.
Mm-hmm.
We reproduce the letters on the original Texas signs for customers. They had been making requests over the last couple of years, and so we just wanted to accommodate them. So
Yeah.
we started adding Austin and some of the city signs and
Yeah.
things like that.
Those are great. I
And,
love them.
We tend to buy out people's collections, so we bought a collection of 1950s Dr. Pepper store signs.
Wow.
And each sign has its own name of the store where it came from, and these are all out of Tennessee. We go all over the country looking for unique and wonderful things that we can present to our customers.
Yeah. Wow.
For the 2 shows that we do the spring and the fall.
Okay. And when is the spring show?
Spring show usually starts about the middle of March and runs through the first week of April.
Okay.
And then the fall show is the middle of September through the 1st of October.
Okay. Let's go in.
Sure.
Yeah.
On this side, this is mostly our small section, and we have an assortment of driftwood from the Shoshone River in Cody, Wyoming. We gathered this ourselves to present to our customers. We have a lot of oil cans and vintage items, and we have some little western. These benches we've been selling here for the last 6 years. Our son builds them. He came up with the design himself.
Yeah.
He wanted to build them where they would last forever, and so he uses good steel from leaf springs off the original trucks.
Yep.
And we put our own cedar in the bench part. We mill it ourselves, and these have been good sellers for us over about the last 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
Well, this is one of our tables that we do out of the slab wood. We
Yeah.
try to incorporate a little bit of industrial with the natural wood.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wow.
And if you want to do a scan of
Yeah, let's look at the furniture too, so you can see more signs just of every kind.
Signs from our friends in East Texas. They
Okay.
bring in a load of signs, and then we bring in ours, and we kind of combine our
Yeah.
efforts. These are these wonderful furniture pieces I was mentioning. They are good, solid pieces of furniture that they have painted and done their magic on.
Yeah.
And some of them have had parts are all reproduced to give you a good product. These are all sealed with a really hard furniture wax. Water builds up on them, and they're very nice pieces of furniture. We sell a lot of these items to our vendors and also in wholesale.
Yeah. And is there a shipping service that works
They
here?
have one through the Round Top Chamber of Commerce.
Okay.
I believe in one of the show guides, they
Okay.
list some people that will do shipping.
Okay,
Yes.
great. Yeah. Awesome. Big fans.
Pieces that our friends Gary and Randy Fleet out of Tyler, Texas, East Texas Pickers, they repurpose
From the van a little
old
bit.
tool cabinets and add the feature. They'll repurpose old tool cabinets and
Yeah.
add the feature of a nice solid wood top.
Yeah.
So it makes it a more functional and practical piece.
Yeah, that's great.
And, Randy Goose, these beautiful farm tables. And they are made from salvaged wood, from old barn wood. They use a lot of salvaged pieces of wood that they can create these beautiful tables and the tabletops that they do.
Yeah.
And they do such good work. I'm very proud of them. I think they do awesome work.
They're beautiful. Look at all there is. Make sure I get that right. It was Glenda. Glenda.
Like Glenda the Good Witch.
Yeah. Perfect.
But and then Randy and Gary Fleet out
Yeah.
of Tyler, Texas.
Excellent. Okay. Well, we'll say thank you very much,
Thank you.
Glenda, for spending time with
Very
us.
nice to meet you.
Yeah, so come and find her here. It's the old depot tent.
The old depot tent in Round Top, Texas, right across from the Stone Cellar.
All right, so definitely come and find her. We'll carry on. Thanks for joining us.
Thank
Bye
you.
for now.